I finally created my own apps, and today I'm going to answer some questions about it. Why create it, who is it for, what problem it solves, and just some summary. First of all, why create it? As a designer, I always wanted to have something to manage color, to generate colors, to see different color schemes, to generate different color tones and brightness and contrast. Something that doesn't have ads or in-app purchase. Something very easy, something very light and efficient. Something that I can have it in my pocket and I can save the colors. I can create brand kits. It's just something all in one. I can just pull out of my pocket and just use it and easily. Because if you're a designer, you will understand how important it is to have a color consistency. That's why I thought, let's create an app that can help me, and it can avoid a lot of frustration for me. This is why I created this app. But who is it for? It's for people who's creative, who's designer, who's usually UI designers, like visual interface or visual identity. If you're creating brand kits or if you're creating website and these kind of stuff, and you want to have something free, no hassle, no ads and these kind of stuff, something light in Android and iOS that you can download it and use it, and you can manage your colors. I'll show it inside the app. So this app will look like this. You have colors here, you have main colors, you have color schemes, and you have palettes, you have brand kit, and you have different tones. You can generate colors from the image, and also you can choose different tones. Once you save a palette, let's say if you click on this plus button, and if you like one of the palettes, you can save it, and based on that palette you can create a brand kit. It means you can give it a name, you can give it a font family, then it will create a brand kit in the brand kit section. It means it's a quick visual look of the brand kit, that if you're creating a brand for someone, then it will help you to have a quick glance of how it will look before you go and apply the design. Because I usually had this issue, like just grabbing some colors from the website and just going and designing things, and then end up not liking the color. Then again, it's a double work. I have to change the colors, and it was just hard. That's why I wanted to have something like this. So the brand kit section, once you create the brand kit, it will look like this. So it will give you the colors, it will give you a quick glance, like website would look like this. If you create it, it has dark and light mode. You see this one here? I hope I can click it, you see? So you can see also like that, font family, and yeah, it's just something cool. And now if I want to create a brand kit or some designs, and I want to make sure the color contrast or color tones are accurate and right, and in terms of color psychology and these kind of stuff, I'll just pull up the font from my pocket and I just generate some colors and see which one I like, trying different tones, or I just open the camera, take some photo of the bird or something, or upload an image of the bird or something, because usually in nature the color contrasts of animals and this kind of stuff like birds is amazing, and from the color psychology it's great. That's why this app is for those people who want to have these kind of things. So why I created, I told you. Who is it for, I told you. What problem it solves, I already told you. So it solves a problem if someone doesn't have a good color management, and if someone is really beginner visual designer, graphic designer, the creator, or like creative person, and want to have something handy to play around with the colors, save colors, create different brand kits, generate different colors, and see how it works in real life. It's just very intuitive and doesn't have any like ads or something. It's completely free. You can download it App Store and Play Store. So yeah, at the end of the summary, I can tell you this is something I created. I'm happy because right now there are a lot of apps on the internet. Yes, it solves the problem, but it was a good experience to create this app and actually use it myself. That's the big thing. You want to make sure when you create an app, you want to be able to use it by yourself. If you don't use the app that you created, then you don't have to expect anyone else to use it, because you want to have something functional and efficient and comprehensive. Yeah, and I aligned it with my brand. That's why I also keep it as a case study, as a good product for my brand. That if you also have a brand, you can try to have some kind of app like this to have something valuable in your Pocket. So this app is called Dotpilot. I'll put the link in the comment section or somewhere around here, and you can download it in the App Store or Play Store. Easy, free. Dotpilot, DOT Pilot. See you around.